In this video we will learn trim entities. The Trim Entities tool is used to remove unwanted entities from an existing sketch. Now we learn how to use Trim Entities. Click the Trim Entities tool. Locate the cursor on the portion of the line within the circle. Click the mouse. The line segment will be removed. Locate the cursor on the portion of the line that passes through the rectangle and click the mouse. Click the green OK check mark. Now learn how to extend entities. The Extend Entities tool is used to extend existing lines to new lengths. Sketch a vertical line about from the left vertical line of the rectangle. Use the Smart Dimension tool and define the location of the line. Click the Extend Entities tool. The cursor will appear with the Extend Entities icon attached. Click the top horizontal line. The line will extend to the vertical line from the left vertical edge of the rectangle. Click the lower horizontal line. Click the Trim Entities tool. Select the Trim to Closest option. Define the top and lower horizontal lines as bounding lines, and trim the line. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.